Hi everyone, this is just a short video to show you how to use the library databases to conduct your research. So the first thing you're going to do is you have to log into MyDTCC. It's going to give you a page that looks like this. You're going to go to the library and just choose EBSCOhost from here, or you can go to the library homepage and get EBSCOhost, but we're already here, might as well just choose EBSCOhost. Then we are going to search Academic Search Complete. So we're going to check this box and then select Continue. Now, before we put any search terms in, we want to make sure that we are going to get some good results. So we're going to go down here to Search Options. We're going to choose PDF Full Text, Peer Reviewed. We're going to have only results from 2018 on because we want to have the most recent results, and that's been about 5 years. And then for language, we want to go ahead and just choose English. So once we have that, once we've got PDF full text, regular full text, peer reviewed, January 2018, and English, then we are ready to actually put in our search terms. So we might search, I'm going to pick something different than your topic just to show you. So we are going to do anxiety in postpartum mothers. And I'm going to then hit search, and it's going to come up with, I have about 856 results, and then I can go through and start to read them to see if they apply to my particular topic of my paper, and also if I can understand them. Remember, if you cannot understand an article, then it's not going to help you. So here, this article number 2 is How Education Levels Affect Risk of Postpartum Depression, a comparison before and during COVID-19. So if I was looking to focus on something that happened during COVID-19 or a change, I might choose this article. And you'll see it gives me an abstract. This is a summary of the article. And then if I want to access the full article, I can go over here to PDF full text. I'm going to make it much bigger so I can read it. And then what I want to do is I want to start reading it and see if I can understand it. So the aim of the study is to investigate the relationship between education level and risk of postnatal, which means after birth depression, before and during the COVID-19 epidemic. A sample of gestational patients or parents, so that's pregnant people in northern Italy. They had 2 groups, pre and mid COVID-19. And it was a questionnaire, so they did a survey, and then they had a brief interview. I feel like I have some idea of what they're talking about, so I could go on to read the first section of their article, which is going to be a history. Then they're going to tell me what they did in their study, how they analyzed it, and then here is the results, which is the more important part, and the discussion is actually going to be the easiest to understand because this is all statistics. So discussion, and what it says is that they were looking to see if there's a relationship between education level and risk of postpartum depression. And they found, so right here, the research showed that participants with middle or high school education levels reported higher depression scores, whereas there was no significant differences for women with a university degree. So what they found is between pre-COVID and mid-COVID, women with lower education levels, so only getting a middle school or high school, had more of a risk for postpartum depression, and those with a high level of education, there was no difference. Okay, if you have any questions, just let me know.